Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center, a new concept English video classroom. And today we will learn lesson 68. Sağdaşlı yaxşımsızlar. Bugünkü dersimiz kelganinglarni qarshi olamiz. Hamda bugünkü ders 68 ders. Şuna sizlar kitobinglarni bir shu 68 darsni ochib birga ko'rsanglar. Chunki bu video darsiga shu kitob bilan masqadan demoqchi. Yana bu kitob qanday desanglar intayim muhim. Bo'lsa, yeringizda bir kitob bo'lsin, hamda nima desanglar, shunda birlikda o'rganib ketsak. Xo'sh, oldingi darsni bir takrorlaylik. Biz bu 68 dars o'xshashlar nima desanglar 67 darsniki takrori. Endi buni tilga olingan bir necha muhim nuqtalar bor. Bunda masalan enjoy degan gap chiqdi, tushunami? Endi bu enjoy degan nayda xushal-xuram o'ynamoq degan gap. Xushal-xuram o'ynamoq degan gap. Endi bunida masalan myself, himself deb chiqdi, tushunami? Endi bu yerga qarasanglar, bu yer bir qator igilar bor, tushunami? I, Ben, Emma, the cat, we, they, you degan gap. Endi bu birinchi qaranglar, enjoy ourselves. Okay. Endi bu enjoy ourselves degan biz o'zimizdan qanday qila olamiz, o'zdirla olamiz. Men our degan bizning mate ourselves bo'lsa, o'zlarimiz degan gap. Buning maskagini men oldin tanlasak nima desanglar, we shunami? Anaqdan birinchi ayga maskagancha, ay degan men shunami? Endi mening bo'lsa nima deytoq? My. Men o'zim bo'lsa myself. Demak, I enjoy nima? Myself. Okay, misharika I enjoy nima? Myself. Yake misharika I always enjoy myself. And pigligini tanlasak, qanday desanglar, tashlasak bo'lgan gap. Demak, I always enjoy myself. Nima? Endi ben degan hamda o'g'il bola. U shunami? U bo'lgandan nima? Him shunami? Himself. He always enjoy himself. Yaki Ben is enjoying himself. Ben nayt xushal-xuram o'ynayapti. What about Emma? Emma degan ayolning ismi shunami? Bu Emma, okay, misharik Emma always enjoys herself. Okay, hamda bu shu qizlarga, ayollarga kelgan nima? Her, shunami? Enjoys herself. Okay, what about the cat? Okay, the cat, and the other cat thing, uning degan shu it. Bu nima bo'ladi desanglar, itself. Demak, the cat is enjoying itself. U o'z-o'zidan qanday qilyapti? O'zirlayapti. Okay, what about we? Biz degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? We, biz. Biz. And the we bo'lsa biz shunami? We always enjoys ourselves. Shunami? We always enjoy ourselves. And they, ular shunami? They always enjoy themselves. Shunami? They enjoy themselves. Demak, ular nayta xushal-xuram qanday qildi? O'ynaydi. What about you? You enjoy yourself degandek. Endi qaranglar. Reading match. Endi men tuandagi ma'nosini, masalan, birinchisi you go there to see a doctor. Which place? It's a doctor's. Shunami? Doktorxona. Yoki bir ambulatoriya deymiz. Shunami? Shuningmi? Doctors. So you go there to see a doctor. Endi men yerga aniqlimizga asosan sharisiga asosan hamda shundan tanlangan gap. Masalan, he bought some what? He bought some hairdressers? No, he bought some stationaries. Okay, stationaries. Like stationaries deganda nima ma'lum? Madaniyat buyumlari do'koni shunami? Masalan, uchagich qalam, u bu narsani sotib oldigan. Some erasers here, right? Erasers degan uchagich qo'yilmishadi. So she goes there to cut her hair. Okay, cut her hair bo'lsa, the hairdressers. Satrashxona shunami? Uning nima ekamiz? Hairdressers. You know, I'm going there to what? To get some peas. Purchak degan gap. And buni nima deymiz? Greengrocers. Say kufta dukane. Buni greengrocers. You know, we are going to there to get some steak. The misharik and new pie. Bunun nima desanglar, the butchers. Qanday nima berishimiz kerak ekan? Qassobxonaga berishimiz kerak ekan. Onun deganda ham yana muhim bir nuqta. U bo'lsin nima desanglar, mishariki in, on, at deganlarni ishlatilsa. Endi bu in deganimiz data, shunami? Odatda bu birga yillarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, in 1949. Yani birga oylarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, in October, in November, in December. Onun da keyin ko'rsanlar, har xil fasllarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn deyilgancha. Endi yana ko'rsanlar, shu doir vaqtlarni, masalan, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon degandakcha. Tushdan burun, tushdan keyin bo'shlag'im qanday desanlar, in kelgan. In degan cho'ng bir doirni bilamiz. Nima? Endi bu yerga on ko'rsanlar, bir kunlarning oldiga keldi. Masalan, on Monday, on Friday, nima? On Children's Day, masalan, on June 1st. Endi bu June 1st qarsanlar, voy ma'lum bu oy bo'lgan-ku. Oy bu oy emas. Ay bilan kun bir. Demakki, aniq kunni ko'rsatadi shunami? January 1st degan birinchi oyning birinchi kuni. U aniq bir kun. Agar June 1st shunami? Endi agar bishari June bo'lgan bo'lsa, bunga in keldi. Masalan, in June, in September, in August degandek. Endi bu yergisi June nima? 1st. Okay? June 1st. 7-ci ayını, ya 6-cı ayının nimisi birinci günü. Demek hem de on iniq kunlarni oldiga keldi. Tushunalmi? Onun da kelganda nima desanlar? At. Okay, hem de bu at deganimiz nima desanlar? Aniq bir nuqta. Masalan, aniq vaqtni bildirganda. Masalan, at a quarter to 7 yoki at 6:45, at 7, at noon, at night degandek. Mesela at noon mı ne? Başka o vakti. At noon deymiz. At night. Demek hem de bu şu in, on, at. Okay, bu şu işçininki mühim olan işletilişi. Okay, so let's get the ball rolling. Lesson 68. What is the time? Okay, what is the time? Saat kaçı buldu deydi. What is the time? So, what is the time? Okay, what is the time? Mesela ekrandaki saatlarni o'qiy olamsizlar bolalar. Mesela cho'ng soat necha o'qdi? 10dan 35 o'tib shunami? Odatda soat o'qiganda biz oldingi soatda bir qatam bir aniq eskartgan, agar minutlarni 30 dan cho'ng bo'lsa, mancha minut qoldi deymiz. Agar 30 dan kichik yoki tang bo'lsa, mancha o'tdi deymiz shunami? Endi ma'nida 10dan 35 o'tib shunami? Demak, mancha minut qoldi deymiz shunami? 25 minut qoldi, nechaga? 11 ga. Demakki 25, it's 25 to 11. 25 to 11. So where were you at yesterday? deydi. Xo'sh, endi men kalendarni bir o'qib baqalı bolalar. What date is it? Okay, what date is it? Ma birinchisidan nima desanlar? 2016 January 1st. Masalan, o'qibasam January 1st. Okay, hamda ma o sonlarga kelsak, savatlashlama har xil daraja sonlarni o'rgangan. Masalan, 1-chi, 2-chi, 3-chi, 4-chi, 5-chi degandek-ku. Hamda shu eng muhim, eng ta'sir birinchisi 3-chisigacha. Birinchisi deganda first. Okay, first. 2-chi deganda-ku second. 3-chi deganda-ku third. 4-chi deganda-ku fourth. Hamda keyiniga 4-ni keyiniga th. Ma'lumot qatliq qoni shunami? Mushlarni qatib maqsanlar, daraja sonlar chiqadi. Masalan, 1-chi, 2-chi, 3-chi, masalan, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th degandek, 8th, 9th, 10th. Mushlarning bo'ladi sonlar. Naqashniki tartib sonlar bo'ldi. Masalan, birinchi ayni birinchi deyishimiz kerak. Shunami? Shuni January 1st. Okay. Hamda ikkinchisi qarsak nima desanlar, 2016da ikkinchi ayninki 14 ekan. 14. Bu nima desanglar? February 14th. February 14th. Shunaqa? And keyingisi March. March 12th. All right? Bu nima deb o'qiymiz? March 12th. Keyingisi April 1st. April 1st. It means April Fool's Day, right? Yalğancılar bayramı, aldamcılar bayramı, ahmaklık bayramı. Okay, what about next one? May 1st. Okay, May 1st. May 1st deganimiz shu 5-ayning 1. And keyingisi June 1st. Okay, keyingisi nima desanglar? June 1st. So, where were you on? Okay. Masalan, where were you on January 1st? Can you remember? Amsa shu birinchi ayning birinchi kuni siz nari edingiz? Where were you on January 1st? Where were you on? Siz nari edingiz? Okay. And keyingisi qaranglar, keyingisiga masalan June. Okay, June 7th. Okay, birinchisini aytgan June 7th. 7-ayning nechisi? 7-kuni. Okay, and June 4th. 7-ayning 4-i nima? It's the Independence Day of United States of America. And Amerikada mustaqillik kuni hisobda davlat bayrami. 7-ayning nechinchisi? 4-kuni. Okay, July 4th. Okay, July 4th. So what about August 1st? Of course, the same. August 1st. And the 8-ayning 1-kuni. 8-ayning 1-kuni. Oniki keyingisi September. Okay, September 10th. Okay, September 10th. And the September 11 bo'lsa, 11-sentabr vaqasi deymizku. And the September 10th. Nechinchi kuni? 9-ayning 10-kuni. Oniki, what about October? Okay, you know, October 1st. October 1st. Birinchi kuni. What about November 11th? Okay, November 11th. December 1st. Demek endi aylarni o'qganda avval oyninkini deb unadekencho manchinji desek qanday sanlar bo'ladi. July 7th, August 1st, September 10th, okay, October 1st degandekcho. So where were you on? Where were you on? Okay, look, sentence structure. And so where was Mr. Williams on Saturday 1st? Where were Mrs. Williams on January 1st? Look, where was Mrs. Williams? Where was she? Okay, you know, she was at the butcher's, right? We can say she was at the butcher's on January 1st. And biz oldingi soat o'rgangan bolalar was, were. Bu nima desanglar, mushu BP'larning o'tgan zaman shakli. Masalan, am isning o'tgan zaman shakli was, are ning o'tgan zaman shakli nima? Were. Demak, she was at the butcher's on January 1st. Okay, she was at the butcher's on January 1st. Ular birinchi ayning birinchi kuni narida qassobxonada edi. Qassobxonada qanda u birinchi ayning biri edi. Demak, endi bu o'tgan zaman, tushunami? So, where was Mrs. Johnson on February 2nd? And said Johnson Hanım ikkinchi ayning ikkisi narida edi? At the greengrocer's. And the greengrocer's shu sayko'xtab nimasi dukkan. And the bunning name is, she was at the greengrocer's on February 2nd. On February 2nd. Demek o shkinji kuni nimada sayko'xtab dukkanda. You know, she was at the greengrocer's on February 2nd. Okay? Look and think. You know, Mrs. Williams was at the butcher's, right? Mrs. Johnson was at the greengrocer's. Endi men yerga Johnson nerede sanla? So where were and past information. Endi demek endi men yerga was, were endi nima yerda sanla? Shu coach. O'tgan zamonda bildirlar. Okay. Demek shu o'tgan zamondagi ma'lum uchurlarni qanaqa qilgan gap, o'zlagan gap. Masalan, Mrs. Williams was at the butcher's. Nada? U qassobxona dedi. Mrs. Johnson was at the greengrocer's and Johnson xonim nerede? Shu sayko'xta do'konida. Demak hamda bu ilgirki. Demak hozir u yerda emas, ilgiri burun shu yerda idi degandan derak berdi. So, hamda mishariki was, were ikkisini bir ishiltib boqaylik savolashlar. Masalan, birinchisini misol qilib sizlarga ishlab I am 11 years old this year. Hamda men bu yil 11 yoshga kirdim. So, I was 10 years old last year. Hamda men o'tgan yilda qancha yosh edim? 10 yosh edim. Ana qog'ozlarga qarab qo'yinglar. Jimmy is at home now. He blah 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 at school yesterday. O tunugun maktabda idi deydi. Hamda bu shu 3-shaxs birlikka izmiti, uni o'tgan zaman shakllanmaydi was yaxshi. He was at school yesterday. He was at school yesterday. What about 3? Justin is at the stationaries on Tuesday. Shu juma kuni on Tuesday deganimiz nima? Seshanba, shunami? Hamda seshanba Johnson nada? Dukkunida. And he was at the hairdressers on Sunday. And u yakshanba kuni narida? Satrashxonada. Okay, what about number 4? They are at their mother's today. Ular bugun opasini uyida. They Gaga's home yesterday. And they ko'plik shunami? Ko'plik nima keldi? Odatda BPL'dan or keldi, ordan o'tgan zaman shakli were. Demak, they were at Gaga's home yesterday. They were at Gaga's home yesterday. Again, what about number 5? We are at the greengrocer's at 8:30, right? So we were at the butcher's at 7 o'clock. Demek hamda soat 7da narida butcher's da. Okay. So look more and talk. Okay, look guys. So where were they on March 3rd? Where were they on March 3rd? And the ular narrative March 3rd. March degan nima so'rashlar? March degan 3-chi oyning 3-chi ular narrative. Narkan bola maktab degan shunami? At school maktabda. Demak, they were at school on March 3rd. Ular 3-chi oyning 3-chi maktabda edi. Amsa yana qarab javob ber bola. So where was he on April 4th? At home. The name is where was he on April 4th? So we can call he was at home on April 4th. April 4th. So where was she on May 5th? Where was she on May 5th? And at the office. So you can say she was at the office on May 5th. Okay. So where was she on June 6th? Okay, where was she on June 6th? Right? Okay, at the grocers, right? And she was at the grocers on June 6th, right? She was at the grocers on June 6th. June 6th. So where were they on July 7th? Where were they on July 7th? Okay, and that okay, at church. And the one name is they were at church on July 7th. So where was he on August 8th? Okay, at the hairdresser. Demek ne diyeceğimiz? He was at the hairdressers on August 8th. Demek 8. yani 8'e ne şu hareket. So where was he on September 9th? What about September 9th? And he was again at the baker's nama bulkhana yani navayhana nama. Dediğimiz he was at the baker's on September 9th. Okay. What about she? She was, where was she on October 10th? October 10th. Okay, she was where? At the dairy. Okay, dairy meslatları. Demek nama arxil süt kaymak degenlikten. She was at the dairy on October 10th. October 10th. Okay. Anlatsa arkadaşlar bana da kalkısana. Where were they? Okay, where were they? Yani onlar kayada idi dedi. Hem bir yerde ki bir neçe orunlarını görüstüğün, ya da orunu görüstüğün bir neçe tuhaflık ibarlar var. Mesela qarab baksak, they were. Okay, ular nerede? Mesela they were at school, at home, at church. Deyip bir yerde ki at school dediğimiz hem de ular mektepte. Hem de bu mektepte degen söz bu tuhaflık ibarı болып keldi. Ular mektepte. Hem de bunun ma'nosi nima desang, ular mektepte o'qiyotdi. Degenden direkt beradi, hem de ma'no. Shunga buning oldiga ko'rsatkich artikel the-ni qanday qilmaydi desanglar, olmaydi. Hem de mesela balalarninki yoki shu yeri bo'lishi asosli maktab nima desanglar, o'qish uchun shundami? Demak, ular maktabda o'qiyotdi degenden direkt berdi. Demak, endi bu yerga bu shariki harakatni bekrak qanday qilib berdi desanglar, bizga ta'kidlab berdi. Agar endi bu yerga the school degancha, the school ma'oldiga aniq artikelni olsak, bular endi shu konkret ko'rsatayotgan maktabning o'zini ko'rsatadi. Masalan, o maktabda masalan bugun to'p o'ynagan olgan bo'lsa, o maktabdan qo'rosda. Aniq shu qo'roni maktabning o'ylasining ishida ishkerligini bildirdi endi men yarikisi. Shunga adətda bu adətga aylangan hamda ular maktabda shu maktabdagi maqsad shu nima desang o'qish. Demakki, o'qiyotdi, u maktabda degandan derak berdi. Shunga they were at school. Adətda buning nima qilmaysan at school. Uningdiki yancha uyda bo'lsa they were at home. Okay, uyda. Demak shu uyda yoki aramilayotdi yoki uyda nima ish qiladi shundan nima desanglar, shu aramak ishlarga aniq shu turarlik iborani at home and at church. At church deganimiz nima desanglar, shu chirkovda tilovat qilmoq, ibodat qilmoq, namoz o'qimoq degan ma'nolarni bildirdi. Shunga bu aniq nima desanglar, at church deb keldi. Agar at the church bo'lsa, shu aniq chirkovning o'zida deganda bu harakatni ta'kidlamaydi. Masalan, balki bu sayohat qilib hamda balki shu chirkovga borgan bo'lsa yoki chirkovda va yoki ma'lum narsa chirkov saqlaqlik yoki chirkovda degandek ma'nosi bo'lsa, nima at church bo'ladi. Onunkin bazı isimlar. Masalan, har xil masalan mushning oldiga sifat kelgan. Adətda isimlarning oldiga sifatlab kelgan, shu sifatninki mana oldirib keldi-ku. Hamda mushning o'xshash hamda shu qassobninki, navayninki, satrashninki, buning deganlarning oldiga nima desanglar, the keladi. Hamda mayarki at the butchers degan, at the butchers shop degan gap. Ma keyindiga ustiga pash qo'yilib, asqatilgandan keyin esa shop degan bo'lish kerak, batchu. Hamda buni qanday qilmagan desanglar, qisqartirib ketgan. Shunga ma'lum desanglar, they were at the butchers, u go'sht do'konida, ular go'sht do'konida. They were at the hairdressers, ular satrashxonada. They were at the bakers, ular nima navayxonada. They were at the dairies. Okay, dairy was, misharika sut mahsulotlar do'konida. They were at the grocers, and the misharika turli mallar do'konida. They were at the green grocer, ular sayko'kta do'konida. Hamsa ma'ni bir mashq qilib sağlaslar. Qaranglar, I was at the church on Sunday. Okay, hamda bu yerga go'ring da apesini bilish kerak. At the church emas, nima? At church. Demak, oldirga the aniq ko'rsatkich artikelni qanaqa qildik? Qisqartib aytdik. Shunga buni qanday qilmasligimiz kerak? The-ni yozmaymiz. Shunga I was at church on Sunday. Shu oldiga at lam qanday qilgan gap desanglar, the-ni elitib at church lam qilgan gap. Buni endi qanaqa qilib o'tamiz? Elib o'tamiz. Endi ikkinchisi, I was at office on Monday. Okay, endi men o'rta qismlarninki oldiga ko'plik bildirib kelgan nima? Haligi ma'no qanaqa qilamiz? Dni qatimiz. Demak, I was at the office on Monday. The office on Monday. Okay, keyingisi, my son was at school on Tuesday. Seshanba kuni nada? Maktabda. My son was at school on Tuesday. On Tuesday. Ham to'rtinchisi, hamda ma'noda nima desam, the deganni qanaqa qilmaymiz? Olmaymiz. Demak, at school shu maktabda o'qiydi. Seshanba kuni u maktabda qanaqa qildi? O'qiydi. Agar to'rtinchisi, my wife was at butcher's on Wednesday. Hamda bu yerga nima? At the butcher's qilgan gap. Bu yerga the-ni qanaqa qilamiz? Qistirgan gap. Okay, beshinchisi qarab baqsaq, she was a grocer's Tuesday. She was at. Bu yerga nima? The qanaqa qilib tursanlar? Kam qilib qolibdi. And oltinchisi, my daughter was in country on Friday. Endi masalan sahra deganni ko'rsatdim masalan in the country shnama. Ma'alliga the-ni qanaqa qilgan gap desanlar, qistirgan gap. My daughter was in the country on Friday. Yettinchisi, I was at home on Saturday. Okay, endi mishagi nima desanlar? At home. Home va qanaqa mayda desanlar kelmaydi. Xo'sh, hamsa mashq qilib qaranglar, when were they at church? They were at church on Sunday. Okay, mushunga o'xshash birlikda yezib chiqargan gap. What about this? Like Tom, hairdressers, Thursday. Okay. Tom, the hairdressers, Thursday. And buni nima savol qo'ygan nima? When was Tom at the hairdressers? Tom degan o'g'il bola shunga she was at the hairdressers on Thursday. Okay, bu yerda nima desanlar? Thursday bosh. Okay, what about Mrs. Jones, the butcher's Wednesday? Charshanba kuni. Shunama? So, when Mrs. Jones, when was Mrs. Jones at the butcher's? Oh, qachon shu qasabxona desa? She was at the butcher's on Wednesday. Ular qaysi kunda? Mushu charshanba kunda. Okay. So ban home Saturday. Okay, ban mushu Saturday shanba kuni narikan uyda ekan shunama. Demak, when was Ben at home? When was Ben at home? He was at home on Saturday. And so Justin, Justin, the baker's Friday. And the Misharike, Justin, Jumakan Narikan, Navaihan Nikan Shnama, and the Kachan Shuarati Boshua, when was Justin at the baker's? Okay, he was at the baker's on Friday. Good, he was at the baker's on Friday. He was at the baker's on Friday. Okay, on baker's on Friday. Okay, what about Mr. Williams' office? The Tuesday. And the miyarike qachon William apandi miyarite desanlar when was Mr. Williams at the office? Bu yerga nima? At the office. And he was at the office on Tuesday. He was at the office on Tuesday. And that I choose the best answer. And the So where can you buy the bread and cakes? Where can you buy? A, at the hairdressers. B, at the bakers. C, at the greengrocer. And the B. Albatta bu kuni shu at the bakers deb olamiz nima? Chashni adiyastimiz at the hairdressers. And the mevchugini nari olamiz at the greengrocers. Greengrocers. What about where are you going to stay in the country? Where are you going to stay in the country? And Sahra nari tursiz? We are going to stay at my uncle's, at my uncle's, in my uncle's. Okay, mushundan nara? At my uncle's. Endi men yerga demakchi uncle's house degandan derak birlamish yerga uyda, shunami? Demakchi shu uncle'ninki uyda tug'moqchi. Shinsa, the twins in Dalian last year, they, okay, and the twins, o'tgan yili bo'lgan ekan, they were, shunami? They were in Dalian last year, and they are here now. Ular hozir qanday ekan? Musharika. Okay, to'rtinchi qaranglar. Qaysini tanladinglar? So, who was on duty last Friday? On duty degan dejurni degan gap. Hamda o'tgan juma kuni kim dejurni edi deydi. Bu nima? Men edim bo'lsa, men I was. Okay, ma B bo'ladi. Beshinchisi. Okay. Was your father at work last Friday? Was your father at work last Friday? Desa, ama shunaqa was kelgan gap. Bo'ldi savolashlar. Bizningki 68 dars oxirlashdi. Andaqda sizlar shu kitobdagi mashqni bizningki abay so'zlagan mazmunlar bilan birlashtirib, tafsiliy bir ishlasanglar, buningki texmo cho'nqur his qila olasizlar, tushunasizlar. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.